Hi, I'm John. Welcome to the World Class Pool Pros video series. Today we're going to be looking at the Hayward sand filter and how using its three main settings can keep your pool clean throughout the entire summer. Before we go any further, I just want to bring up two golden rules for dealing with your sand filter. Always make sure that you turn the knob clockwise, and always make sure to turn your pump off before making any adjustments. In order to set your filter to the filter setting, push down on the handle and move it to the filter notch. This is the setting that your filter will be set to predominantly. While in this setting, your filter will operate by actively cleaning and returning filtered water back into the pool. Every pool is unique, and deciding when to backwash your pool can become an easy decision whenever you use your pressure gauge. Pressure gauges will typically fall between 10 to 15 pounds. Here's where your pressure gauge can come into play when determining when to backwash. What you want to be looking out for is a 6 to 8 pound increase on the pressure gauge. A good rule of thumb is to remember to not backwash your pool too often, because interestingly enough, your sand filter cleans better when it's dirty. The compacting effect that the dirt has upon the sand is what actually makes it clean a little bit better. As the sand becomes more compact, finer particles are then able to be filtered through the filter of the sand. So not only does your pool end up becoming cleaner by allowing your filter to become more dirty, but excessive backwashing can cause excessive cloudiness and disrupt the chemicals that are then put into your pool. Before moving your handle to the backwash position, always remember to turn off your pump. Once your pump is off and your handle is in the correct position, always be sure to secure your backwash hose into your filter. This can easily be found by locating the glass bubble. Right next to it is the output for the backwash hose. Once your backwash hose is secured, make sure to extend it away from your house and away from your filter. Then restore power to the filter and you will see water begin to exit the hose. Allow about a minute for the backwashing process to complete itself. But one of the best ways to really gauge whether it's complete or not is to pay attention to the glass bubble. Within the glass bubble, during the backwash process, you will see water that may look a little bit like this. After the backwashing process, you'll see water that looks like this. So clear. Once the water within your glass bubble has begun to look crystal clear, you'll know that the backwashing process has completed. What you'll want to do next is turn off the power to your pump. Move the handle in a clockwise position to the rinse function. The rinse function ensures that no dirt or debris make it back into your pool. Be sure to turn your pump back on and allow the rinse function about 30 seconds or so to complete the process. Once rinsing is complete, turn your pump off, turn your handle back to the filter position, turn your pump back on, and you're ready to start swimming. I hope you found this video helpful and enlightening, and be sure to check us out on Facebook and our YouTube channel for any more helpful hints and tutorials that are coming in the future. Thank you so much, have a wonderful season, and happy swimming. Bye now.